Let me share a backstory. The reason why we built Ketch, and a few of us as co-founders, the reason why we were passionate about building Ketch is we were in your shoes. We had to make sure that the software that we had built, the company, the product that we had built, was going to comply with the privacy regulations that applied to our business. We were a processor in legal terms, which means an entity that acts as an agent of a company, which is called a controller, that interacts directly with consumers. And we had to spend a lot of time, energy, money, resources to comply with GDPR. And it was an engineering problem that we had to solve, because ultimately complying with privacy regulations ends up involving how you collect, process, organize, store, and use the end consumer's data. So we learned a lot of lessons as engineers building infrastructure that complied with privacy regulations, and we decided to start Ketch as a gift to our former selves. And so there are some very interesting things that we've done within the platform that are directly relevant and will resonate with you, the privacy engineer. For example, one of the things that we're very intentional about is the fact that collecting consent is not the end game. You actually have to make sure that you are using that consent in the various data processing activities, or what we call purpose-based data processing, that the user is consenting or not consenting to. So we've made it really easy for you as a developer to get access to that consent data so that you can use it wherever you're using user-level data. The other thing that we've done that resonates really well with privacy engineers is we recognize that, actually before I go there, the second thing that you have to do as a privacy engineer is comply with various rights that are afforded to the consumer. So you have to honor right to access, right to delete, etc. And that's a hard problem, because as engineers, you may not know all the places where your data has been collected and processed. So giving you the tools to easily implement these rights requests, whether they're access or delete, giving you the infrastructure to do it in a way where the work you have to do is minimized. We've treated all of that as a first-class citizen in our platform, ultimately making your life easier.